Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to be explaining constructors in Java. So a constructor method is a method that is called whenever we create an object. Okay, when an object is created. Construct يعني بناء. Constructor يعني بناء. طيب. And we call this method نسوي لها call هذه المethod كل مرة نسوي object we create an object. Okay. So I gave an example last time of human. So we created a human class and we gave it 3 attributes. So the first attribute is string, which is a name. Okay, so this is the name of the class, and this is the first attribute. And then we have the other attribute, which is hair color. Okay, capital C. And then we need an integer for age. Okay, so we have 3 attributes of this human. So we need the name, the hair color, and the age. Okay, to create an object, you need to call the class name. Okay, so human, and then you give the object a name. I'm gonna call it human number 1, and then you call the constructor method. Okay, so this is the constructor method, but we did not create any methods over here. You see, no methods are over here. So the compiler will always create an empty method فاضية, constructor فاضي, ما في شيء. As you can see here, we don't have any attributes here. Okay, we don't have attributes. We can't pass arguments. Okay, so and then the compiler will always create a constructor for us, so we can create the object here. So now we can override that constructor and create our own constructor. So to create a constructor, you need the same name of the object. So capital H, human, and then 2 brackets for a method. This is a method. You'll always remember that methods have 2 brackets. The classes don't have 2 brackets. They have 2 curly braces, as you can see here. So 2 brackets and then 2 curly braces for the constructor, as you can see. So now we can give this human a name, we can give him hair color, and we can give him age. Okay, so now we can give arguments to this constructor, and this will assign the variables over here. Okay, so first we need to get the arguments from the user. So for first string, we are gonna call it human. I'm gonna short human for h underscore name. Okay, so human name, we will get it from here. And then we want another attribute for hairstyle, so h underscore hairstyle or hair color, and the last one will be, this is a string variable, string. Okay, so string hair color, human h for a hair color, and we want the last one will be integer human underscore age. So human age will be integer, the hair color will be string, and then they'll be the same as here. So now inside of the constructor, we can assign these variables to these here, to the attributes. Okay, so whenever we type in the attributes, the variables here, we will give them to these attributes. Okay, so first we need a special keyword to assign these variables. So we need this method, this keyword. So this is a keyword used to assign the variables to the object. Okay, so this class dot name will be equal to h dot name, human name. So this will get that from here, and then we'll assign it to this name, which is this one. And then we can do it also to the other attributes. So this dot age is gonna equal to age, okay, and then this dot hair color will be equal to h dot hair color. Okay, so this string name will be assigned to this dot name, which is here, and then hair color will be assigned to here. This dot hair color will be over here. As you can see, they are highlighted. So if I highlight age here, you see it gives us the same highlighted attribute. Good. Okay, so this is the constructor method. This is how you create the constructor method. And then now you see we have one related problem. We have expected 3 arguments. يعني الحين احنا نريد 3 arguments عشان نسوي assignment حل constructor. So first we give the name. So name, as you can see, h.name, it shows us. So Ahmed, we'll call the human Ahmed, and then we can give him the integer, which is not integer, it's a string. So hair color will be black. As you can see, it gives us the attributes over here, and we give him the age, which is 20 years old. And now we can access his attributes inside of our main class. So human, we get the name of the object, human number 1 dot age. So let's print that on the screen. Human dot age is equal to human number 1 is equal to 20. Okay, and then we can create another object, as you can see. So human, we create another object, human number 2, and we give it the constructor human. Let's name him Umar, and his hair color will be yellow. Umar وشعره أصفر. And then we give him the age of 19. So Umar is 19 and his hair color is yellow. So we can access Umar's name and his other attributes. Human number 2, well, let's print that on the screen. Human number 2 dot, we can get his hair color, which is 2. So that is it, yellow. And that is it for constructors.